Now I got the bulldozer going, the chainsaw. We have about 2 to 3 inches on the ground snow, and that means the ground is getting frozen. When the ground is getting frozen, that means the bulldozer will travel a lot better. It has more friction, more traction, so this is the best time for me to clear some trail. So let's go and clear some trail.
Welcome to Muddy Off Grid, eh?
Hi, my name is Edgar. Welcome to my channel, Muddy Off Grid, eh?
Muddy Off Grid, eh? YouTube channel videos are for entertainment purposes only. If you engage in any of the activities shown in the Muddy Off Grid, eh? videos, do so at your own risk. Consult an expert before operating any tools, machinery, etc. shown in the videos.
We are officially in winter time, as you can see. There's snow sticking around about 2-3 inches. I'm gonna take advantage of that because for me this is the best time to clear some trail. I'm gonna use the bulldozer. I'm gonna use the chainsaw. I'm just gonna have to prepare the chainsaw and make sure that it's running. Now I'm gonna try to start it again. At the same time, I'll start the bulldozer, warm it up, and then we're ready to go. A little bit about this bulldozer. It's an oldie one, but it works. It's how to drive it. You set your RPMs with this handle, and then the pedal. This is the gas pedal. It doesn't work like any conventional vehicle. The way it works, you push it in, and then you set your RPMs. This machine is meant to work with high RPMs. So to accelerate, you actually let go of the gas pedal. To turn around, it's left and right. That's it. You can brake with both handles back, and that will bring you to a complete stop. You got the controls for the blade. This is a 6-way blade. You go right and you go left that way. Then you go up and down. That's 4. This other handle that will move the blade that way, and obviously the other way. So that's why it's called 6-way blade. I set the RPMs not to the highest, but to the one before the highest. Over here is a transmission. This machine has 3 forwards: first, second, and third. Now, for reverse, works the same way: first, second, and third. Obviously, first being the lowest for more force, and the second and third being faster. This handle here is just to as a safety measure. It's a safety thing when you park your machine, that will prevent your shifter to go into place in any place. That's all this level does. And this handle here is for the winch. The winch is not working right now. That's my next project. First gear, my RPMs. This is my brake pedal, and I just let.
What the heck is going on? It's not working. What the heck happened now?
I was trying to give it some gas, and now my pin came out. So this is what moved my accelerator. Luckily I found the pin. I just have to find a safety pin to go through this hole. All the way down here. There you go. I have to find a pin like this to go through this hole. Hopefully it won't take me long to find a safety pin. Anyway, subscribe, will ya? I couldn't find a safety pin. I found a nail that was small enough to go through the hole. So I'm gonna use this nail. This is what I used to bend the nail. So now the nail is secure there. shouldn't come out that easily anyway. All right, let's give it a try again. Set my RPMs. Oh yeah, it's working now. Safety off. First gear. Now this is a Td8e International Harvester. I cannot keep going with the channel if you don't subscribe. So please subscribe, eh? Let's go. Go a little bit faster. Second gear. The trail that I would like to clear is this trail here. You can see how messy it is. What you see here was done on purpose. Many decades ago, this place was selectively logged. And after they did that, after they logged the place, they wanted to close down all the trails around here so nobody else could go through. Let's walk a little bit. I didn't realize that we're right on top of the rock. That's not really good for the tracks, but we'll move quickly. I gotta find a way to set the camera in such a way that I don't damage it with a tree falling on it or something like that. That's gonna be a bit of a challenge. can't really push these ones right here because they're too high, and I think I'm gonna have to cut them with the chainsaw as much as I can, and just gotta be careful with all these trees that are I'm gonna end this video right here. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and most importantly, subscribe, will ya? All right, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, eh?